Mae Disney o pas hyfryd a Declan Poole. Mae yna Leo Line Poole. John Hood yn gwneud yn gampus, ond dyna Poole. Yna Denny Llemeddiant, Declan Poole. Dyma Wignall, mae Barri ar gael. Dyma Barri creu'r lle. Barri dal i fynd o arbediad rhagorol gan Lewis. Michael Barri. O mi nath o'n rhagorol yn y fan yna i greu y cyfle am yr ergyd. Arbediad da. Danby. Digon o amser. Godi'r bel yn ôl y gyfeiriad Wild. Dyma Barri ar ergyd! O, nac i gol! Michael Barri! Rhagorol. Da ni wedi chwarae 19 munud o'r hanner cynta. Y tîm cartre ar y blaen. Dim gobaith i Mike Lewis. Cei Connah 1, y Barri dim. Lawrence Wilson, yr arwydd yr un isel y tro hwn, y sodliad. Dyma Barri nôl at Wilson, wan ta mae gen i fo amser i godi'r bel at y dynion ar yr ochr bella. Mae'n rhydd yn y cwrt, mae dal yna, mae Wild yn ei chanol i, a'r bel dros y traws gan Wignall. A mi gymodd i gyffyrddiad oddi ar un o chwaraewyr y Barri. Y bel yn rhydd yn y cwrt. Mae'n rai yn Wignall, os ych chi'n meddwl, os hi'n haws sgorio yn fan'na. Danby. Ar gigol, Barri. Reolaeth hyfryd gan Barri. Ydy'r ail i Barri. Taro'r trawst. Michael Barri. A'r bel hir, y pen arall Disney yn ôl. Danby mewn ras fan hyn. Mae'r bel yn rhydd a Toure! Sydd yn union yn sgôr! Y chwarae'n symud o'r naill ben o'r cae i'r llall. 9 munud tan yr egwyl. A Toure yn manteisio ar y camgymeriad gan Danby. Mae'n gyfartal. Cei Connah 1, y Barri 1. Barri dan bwysan i hildio hi i Southam Hales o'r hediad penderfynol gan y cefnwr. Southam Hales yn dal i fynd. Croeso dy dews y cwrt. Mae yn ei Toure! Toure! Mae wedi sgorio dwywaith o fewn munud. Rhediad rhagorol i lawr yr ochr dde gan Southam Hales. Ac yna Toure yn rhoi y Barri ar y blaen. Louis Gerrard yr eilydd. Angen y cymorth. Mae Green yn ôl at Gerrard. Mae McLagan yn y canol. McLagan! O! Dyna'r cyfle i selio'r triffwynt. Croesiad campus gan Gerrard. Cyn McLagan wedi methu cyfle eiraid. Danby. Ar gigrydd Packer i fyny amdani. Mae'n disgyn i Rob Hughes! Na chi chwip o gol gan yr eilydd Rob Hughes! Hanner awr o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Mi oedd Lewis yn llonydd. Rob Hughes! Gwych! Gerrard yn ôl at Hugh. Chris Hugh, allai gael ei greisio i fewn yr ergyd a daws fyny y gol! Danby blaen i fysedd. A bu bron i Disney gwiro hi o rwyd i hun. Mi oedd McLagan yn ei chanol i, mi oedd Hood yna hefyd. Danby. Edrych am Wild, dim trosedd yn ôl y dyfarnwr, Greening. Ac yna Hood yn edrych am McLagan. Mae McLagan yn greu. McLagan i gwneud ti 2-2! Cyn McLagan! Mae wedi cael sawl cyfle yn yr ail hanner yma i selio'r fuddugoliaeth i'r ymwelwyr. Cyfle arall wedi ei fethu. Dyma Danny Harrison, wan yma le fan hyn gan Harrison. Cael ei annog ymlaen gan Disney. Dyma Wilson, mae Hughes yn gael yn berfyn, mae Barri yna. Mae Barri, yr ôl beniad i Kenny! O, na chi arbediad rhagorol gan Lewis. O'r peniad gan Jack Kenny. Morris, llwyddo gael ei groesiad at yr ochr bella. Y tu hwnt i bawb. Mae'n disgyn i Rob Hughes. Disney'n gael amdani hi. Hughes. Mae o'n cael ei groesiad i hwn at Barri. Holmes ar ergyd. Ac yna gyfle am y gwrth ymosodiad. Disney wan ta, mae hi'n 3 yn erbyn 1 os ellith amser i'r bas at Southam Hales! Southam Hales! A'r pyniad! A'r bel yn cael ei chliru ar rwsyd ydi ar y llinell unwaith eto gan Disney. Y chwarae'n llifo o'r naill ben o'r cae i'r llall. A mi yna gyfle yn yna i Macaulay Southam Hales gipio y triffwynt.
If I've just said to the lads, if you're really professional and you're really clinical, you know, the game's 4-0, the game's put to bed, it's finished, it's all over. But listen, great credit to Barry. I thought, as you said, it was a very, very entertaining game for the neutral. It was passionate, you know, both teams were at it, and you know, a point on reflection of the whole game is a fair result. But you know, you want to start games like we did, you know, when we've been really aggressive in our shape, really aggressive, and we forced their full-backs back who were very dangerous. We've dominated the midfield, and you've got to take your chances, you know, and it's similar to TNS, where, you know, we bossed TNS for large periods, but you don't take your chances, and you live and die by your finishing at any level of football. You live and die by your strikers in the final third and your chances, not just strikers, but any chances that came. That's what makes the difference at the top level. 2 terrific goals. You know, Rob Hughes is a fabulous technique and backs as well. But yeah, we know we sit top of the league tonight, and we're, you know, both teams are 3 points clear of TNS after 14 games. So it's a great position to be in. It's great for the league.
Seen a lot of sides to my team today, you know. Connah's credit to them. Good side, you know, at home, tough place to come. And I think that, you know, the first half an hour definitely belongs to them, you know, and we had to weather some tough periods there. And, you know, our keepers made some good saves. They've hit the bar from a really direct sort of goal kick, really, you know, a good switch of play from John Danby. But then second half, I think that, you know, we've missed 2 or 3 goal line opportunities and 2 or 3 one-on-ones. And yeah, in many ways it's pleasing, but in many ways obviously it's frustrating.
The run continues.
Yeah, that's the important thing, you know. Listen, let's be humble, let's be honest. If somebody said to me before the game I would have taken a draw here, I would have snapped your hands off, and that's the realities of the situation. But, you know, I've seen a lot of sides to my team today that I know will stand us in good stead.
Next weekend, another big one. They come one after another.
Yeah, look forward to it. You know, TNS at home. You know, it's a tough game. You know, they're a good team. It's a game to look forward to, much like every game in the Welsh Premier League. You know, so. But I just looking back and reflecting on today, I'm thinking, you know, we've seen men stand up. We've seen lads really come of age. You know, because we're still quite a young team and still quite growing. You know, and people say, you know, well done for how far you've come. But the exciting thing for me is how far this team has yet got to travel.
Have you overachieved? Difficult question to answer, because, you know, I think I've got good players. I think we've strengthened from last year, but yeah, I think that we've had a great start to the season that we probably didn't envisage. Looking to next weekend, you'll want maybe the New Saints to do you a favour, or maybe Barry. And is the Iron Brew coming at the wrong time for you?
You could say that. We've got to go to, you know, a very good Newtown team on the Wednesday night, but, you know, it's going to Hampden Park and playing on there 2 days before the national team play. You know, that can't be a bad thing at any time of the season. You know, and it's testament really to what we've achieved this season. You know, to beat Falkirk, to beat Coleraine, they deserve that. And as for Barry and TNS, you know, that game will take care of itself. It'll be 2 very, very good teams, and it's so early to be saying about favours and all that. We're now still 2 points short of you know, that automatically for me the top 6, and that's all that matters, and we'll just take one game at a time.